What's up, everyone? So your spare tire's put away, out of sight, out of mind, and it's easy to forget about. But one thing that you need to make a routine is keeping a check on that spare tire. So I'm inspecting my tire and the rim around the tire to ensure there's no damage. So your spare tire is temporary only. It is not intended to be a permanent replacement for your damaged car tire. It is just to get you out of a bind and off the side of the road. So there may or may not be a sticker on your spare tire like mine. And that sticker usually includes vital information. After my visual inspection of the tire and the rim, on the front and the back side of the tire, now I need to check the tire pressure. You may be able to find the tire pressure requirement on the sticker of the tire, or it may be molded into the side of the tire. So mine says that it should be at 60 psi. So now I'm going to use a tire gauge to test the pressure. And mine says 20 psi, so I obviously have to add a lot of air to this tire. So make sure that you keep a check on your spare tire so you won't be stranded when you need it most. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.